55 line up runway 21, do you require a minute?
Line up limit 1, negative, Bluebell 55, ready.
Roger, 55, wind 250, fixed runway 21, right, roger.
Line up limit 1, roger, Bluebell 55.
Transponder is on.
55, runway 21, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff 21, Bluebell 55, Alpha.
Right clear. Left clear. Heading nose wheel to come, rest completed.
Nose wheel is locked.
Voelig. B for takeoff completed.
Lifting.
2 AP's. Oh, netjes.
Ja, ik moet het eventjes een beetje...
Of course, there's no warnings. You're pulling 80 with 7.5 knots. So Benar stable checks are completed. 105.
105, taking off.
Power available, power available, power available, power available. Set. Nice. TDP.
Go.
Oh, spot on.
Ja.
Bird, no vector. VTOS.
Check.
VCOS.
Check.
200 feet.
Go.
Check. VY.
Check.
Yeah, altitude sets, nice. 500 feet.
Yeah, tuning left.
Complete left is clear.
Left, take checks.
The gear.
Up.
And the brakes.
Off.
After takes completed. Time 2-4.
And select all
55,
the
want
climb.
to arrival, 1 to 4, 2 3, goede vlucht.
Switch arrival to Maatse Bluebell 55, recht.
All climb ES and direct Faflo.
Direct. Faflo. Enough.
And off.
LTA, EOS, nav selected. On the direct track to
Alta ES nav captured.
Check, thank you.
Arrival, goedemorgen, Bluebell 55 Alpha, passing 1200 in a left turn. Leveling off 2000 feet, in Maat Faflo.
Ja, still on the tower.
Oh, nou, dan weet jij het ook.
Dankjewel.
Goeie.
Wat toe
Maandag.
echt een heel verhaal hoor.
Arrival, goedemorgen, Bluebell 55 Alpha, passing 1005. Leveling off 2000, direct track to Faflo.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, goeiedag, identified.
Goedemorgen, identified 55.
Switching offshore. 125175.
And Bluebell 55 Alpha, after Faflo, direct destination.
After Faflo, direct destination. Thank you very much, Bluebell 55.
We have a plan. 5 minutes. Pre-select
500.
500 and I'll ask for the descent.
Arrival, Bluebell 55, like to start descent to the Erda.
55 Alpha approved.
Dankjewel, 55.
Tactile acquire.
Acquire set LT.
Captured.
Check.
Deselecting nav.
Check. Nav is out. Attitude. I'll ask for the clearance. Erda, it's low. Good morning. Bluebell 55. First 3 minutes out for the clearance, please.
Yeah, 55 Alpha, Erda, it's low. Good morning, sir. Deck is available.
Sir, deck available. Thank you, Bluebell 55. Deck available.
Ja.
Erda radio, Bluebell 55. You have a wind check.
55 Alpha, Erda radio, good morning, sir. We have the wind direction 280 degrees at 8 knots.
Copy, thanks, Bluebell 55. 280. We are 300 wind. Little on the left. Final, the gear is down, the brakes are set. Radar is off. Not yet identified. Clearance we have. Identical. Erda, identified on the side.
Check.
Finals completed.
Thank you.
300.
Ground speed 35.
Check.
Ground speed 30. Ground speed 20.
Landing.
Check, the gears down, the brakes are set. 15 ground speeds.
Decision height.
Power is good, height is checked, and nose below 10. Check.
150 feet.
55
5% Den Alpha 12.
Nice, good position. Bluebell 55 Alpha is on the deck, Erda.
AFC, copy Thunder 55 Alpha.
Oof.
Erda radio copy.
Begint iets bedoeld.
Beautiful! Now you're showing off, Mike. Nice. Okay, yeah, that one. I have done strobe and then go. D float. En een click.
Check.
Alright. HS still on board.
Flash 53 Bluebell 55 Alpha lifting total of 10 from the Erda to the WaveMaster.
Go ahead.
Lifting.
2 piece.
Erda radio copy.
Very nice. Okay, right after tail is clear. No cautions, no warnings. 85 knows when stable checks are completed. Check 98.
98.
Yes. Power is set. TDP.
Go.
Nice. 25 ground speed.
Decision height.
Disregards, VTOS. Climbing. 300 feet. 16.
Turn right.
Check.
Go.
Coming up VY. Right is clear. Message. Check fuel. Yeah, correct. In the right turn. You want a direct tool?
Ja, direct WaveMaster, RWY eerst nog.
Direct tool. WaveMaster, RWY, indicated airspeed and
Yes.
LTE is not captured.
Captured.
Awesome, after 500, the gear is up, the brakes remains. I'll say hello to arrival.
Arrival, hello, Gap Bluebell 55 Alpha Airport.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, hello again, and continue with Amsterdam 19175, no traffic.
Switching Amsterdam, no traffic, thank you. Tot zo, Bluebell 55.
Tot zo.
Amsterdam, goedemorgen, Bluebell 55 Alpha.
Bluebell 55 Alpha Amsterdam, goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen, er wordt from the Erda, 1000 feet, climbing to the 1500 feet, 10 on board on the direct track to the WaveMaster, located at the Lima 5 Alpha.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, identified, TQNH North Sea North is 1012.
Identified 1012 for the north, Bluebell 55.
12.
1, 2.
Check 1080. FCC Bluebell 55 airborne and the WaveMaster time 12.
FCC, copy Thunder 55 Alpha.
No, what? Amsterdam Bluebell 55 Alpha.
Bluebell 55 Alpha Amsterdam.
55 steady descent to the WaveMaster located at the Lima 5. Only one stop, give you a call airborne again back to the question.
Bluebell 55, copied, tot zo is.
So. Okay, LT, please select
Ja,
ready. LT selected. Power updates, my side, the B4s.
Yes.
The for landings and T-ice is off, heater is off radar.
Is standby.
Check. Briefing is understood. A bit right, bit left into wind. And I expect a left-seat landing.
Ja, gaan even kijken hoe die
Ja.
erbij ligt.
Check. Altimeters.
Is 1012.
Yeah, my side. Bug 0. Happy?
Yes.
Okay. The compasses.
Mac 335.
Landing lights.
Maple 07, two-way was up.
Park brakes. On. Confirmed. And the landing lights.
Is
Oh yeah, sorry, hard to go. Landing gear.
is down to green.
Confirmed. Max briefing.
Stone.
P for landings completed.
Maple 07.
I'll ask for the clearance. WaveMaster, good morning. Bluebell 55 Alpha. 2 minutes out for deck availability, please.
55 Alpha, this is Bibby WaveMaster Bridge. The helideck is available.
Helideck available, thank you. Bluebell 55 Alpha.
Your control?
Yeah, alright, Magnus.
Your control.
ELT indicated, coupled 540 Ronald VY. Alright, good visible, and I am turning final.
Check.
Okay, clear the turn.
Check.
And to the wind 280. And for the finals.
The gear down to green, park brake is on clearance. We have radar is standby.
Check.
And we just need to identify.
Thanks.
WaveMaster, yeah, identified.
Split.
Thank you.
Speed 30.
Thank you.
200 feet.
Okay, not a lot of movement.
$150 feet.
Okay, still able to go away. Still able to go away.
15.
Thank you. Landing.
Check.
This with the guys on the left, they're on my side.
Pitch below 10.
Thank you. This position. Alrighty, on the deck. Collective is down, cycling. Centered, your controls. Light lights. Off, thank you. Thumbs up. Okay. Ja, tot zo.
Jo.
That one, and the floats. Build Alpha 5, lifting total 7 from the WaveMaster, climbing 3,000 feet back to the crane.
Are you ready? You have
Already, my controls.
Copy, thunder 5-5.
2 APs.
Thank you, sir. Okay, yeah, we are not moving a lot, so happy?
Yes.
Lifting. Alrighty, for the cover checks.
Good fish in the green. You're pulling 80, target 95.
Check, taking off.
Bar set. TDP.
Cool.
Positive climb.
Thank you.
VTOS. 200 feet.
Check the gear, please.
Gear and the brake.
Thank you. 300 in the left
60.
turn.
VY.
Thank you. Alright, Mike, in the left turn, nothing. Coupled, your controls. Lift on the gear.
500 feet.
Check. You want a direct too?
Direct Amsterdam, RWY ESNAV.
You have direct Amsterdam, LT ESNAV.
LT ESNAV capture.
Thank you. Amsterdam below and Bluebell 5-5 Alpha.
Bluebell 5-5 Alpha Amsterdam.
Hello there, airborne from the WaveMaster passing 800. We have a total of 7 aboard, climbing altitude 3,000 feet inbound the core.
Bluebell 5-5 Alpha identified. The QNH North Sea North 1013.
Identified 1013 for the north, Bluebell 5-5.
Maple 07 Alpha, new QNH North Sea North 1013.
013, Maple 07 Alpha.
Ja, Buck Coast 112.
Maple 05 copied.
Vermaat 5.
Maple 07 complete the core arrival 124.230.
Over to de core arrival voor de Maple 7.
Kooi op 49. FCC, Bluebell 5-5.
Bluebell 5-5, FCC, go ahead.
Yeah, good to way Amsterdam. Thanks for the watch and the service. The core time 47.
ETA at the core 47, flight watch closed, and thank you very much. See you next time.
Roll, 5-5. Shit hoor.
Ja.
Oh, je hebt je armrestjes al uit.
Zeker. Ja, ik ben ook eens sneller dan jij bent.
Wat verdorie. Nou ben ik altijd de snelste. Nee hoor. Michael zit dan. Aflex complete.
Ja.
Oké. Level 3000. You want to cruises?
Ja hoor.
Coming up the cruises, altimeters in the box.
101.3, 1000, 3000 feet 11.
Check my side, cross check, NTIs.
Is off.
Ja, 10 degrees. The compasses.
Mac 166.
De fuel.
Ja,
Ja,
als je
zeker.
deze aangeeft. 400, dat klopt wel.
Mooi. And it is a bees, I will have a look. T's and the bees, all good and assist. Let's check as well. Hydraulics. Good flag controls, gearboxes and the electrics, all good. Plateau, flapping. Close checks completed.
Good.
8 time 38, it's currently 22. 124 230.
Maple 05 Alpha, the frequency change to the GOI approved.
62 Tower, April 55.
Hi.
Wow.
Arrival, goedemorgen, Bluebell 55 Alpha.
55 Alpha, Atrix to Hotel 3000 in de runway 21.
Atrix to Hotel 3000 voor de 21, Bluebell 55. Roger.
She is fast. Range. Atrix to Hotel. Legs. Atrix. Hotel. Delta. Romeo. Chat.
Bluebell 55 over to arrival, 124 tot ziens.
Searching arrival tot ziens. Bluebell 55 Alpha. Okay, 243 12013 set.
Ja.
Clear arrival, hello again, Bluebell 55 Alpha with you 3000 feet.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, the Korea arrival today identified. The quick QNH is 1015.
Identified 1015, we have 7 POV. After Atrix to the request official, we are visual at Whiskey Hotel in the field, Bluebell 55.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, copy. And Bluebell 55 Alpha after Atrix, please for the official approach via Mike and Hotel to the field.
After Atrix, clear for the visual via Mike and Hotel for the runway 21, Bluebell 55.
2000, please select. Done now. Sunglass time. Hop op. Zo, beter.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, descent altitude 2000 feet.
Descent altitude 2000 feet, Bluebell 55 Alpha.
LTC. Hold. Check, helicopter.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, contact the Koi Tower, 12013, bye bye.
Switching tower by Bluebell 55 Alpha.
Tower number 2.
Tower, goedemorgen, Bluebell 55, level 2000 in Mike.
Bluebell 55, the Koi Tower. Hello, descent altitude 1000 feet, report hotel 21.
Hello, descent altitude 1000, report hotel for the 21, Bluebell 55.
What dan?
Check. Captured. 1000 feet.
De
Yeah, before us. The NTIs is off, heater is off, radar is off. The briefing.
Ja, to one short field.
2-1 short field, copied, spot number 10. Altimeters in the box.
1015, buckers to 0.
Check, 15 set box 0. Compasses.
Are in Mac.
Landing lights.
Is off.
Cover. Oh yeah, cover and park brakes.
Is off.
Landing gear.
Down to
Confirmed, send a PAX briefing.
ATT.
Check.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, Hotel 1000.
Bluebell 55 Alpha, the wind 240 degrees, 8 max 17 knots, 21 clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 12, Bluebell 55 Alpha.
There's takeoff.
Yeah. Clearance is in. You are calling final 2-1, the gear is down, the brakes are off. Clearance we have, radar is off. And the core is identified. Final is completed.
300.
Check. And is LDP.
Bunny.
The gear's down, brakes off. Nose 10. And below.
Nose unlocked.
Check. Sponder standby, strobe
55
off.
exit.
Section approved, Bluebell 55.
And the taxi is approved. Afterland is completed.
Yeah.